going on, everybody? It's Alan with BB Motorsports. Today we're working on an RS7. I've already got it most of the way stripped apart. Didn't really want to bore you guys with that stuff, but we've got the full exhaust out. There was some bracing stuff like that involved with getting that out. We are going to go ahead and upgrade the full exhaust system on this car, so I opted just to remove the whole thing up front. I'm gonna bring you guys up front.
We got an exciting build going on with this car, guys. Look at it, it's a nice like satin black color. It's gonna be a monster.
So we have some Run TTE turbos. These are gonna be upgraded, slightly different from a factory housing, but very, very similar. We are going with a full Valvetronic exhaust. So basically we're gonna put a set of Unitronic downpipes on this car, and then we're going to follow that up with a Valvetronic full system behind that. This car is gonna sound amazing when it's finished. So we have most of this stripped apart here. I've got it down to pretty much just the turbos here. Got to drain the coolant out of the car, and then I can go ahead and remove those. We are also doing some upgraded air-to-air intercoolers. This car has 2 intercoolers on it, 1 on each side. We're gonna go ahead and do something a little bit better with those. We're going to upgrade those with some air-to-air intercoolers as well, I believe. We are changing a few other things. So we are going with the Big Mama intakes, turbo inlets. We have some adapters to kind of follow that up so that way it fits and the air has a seamless transition into the turbo. Definitely helps with turbo response time there. We are going to go ahead and upgrade into a Unitronic air intake box kit. So we are upgrading the entire intake box, not just the inlet tubes like most people would do. This is gonna give us some more breathability, and it's gonna fit and function. So
yeah, we're not gonna show too much of the process with this one. We don't want to bore you. We just kind of wanted to dive into what we're doing here since we have all this stuff laid out. Horsepower wise, what do you think it's gonna make? If you had to guess.
You know, I really don't know. I'd really hate to guess totally wrong on this.
Oh, just take a wild guess.
I'm gonna go probably 5, 6s, somewhere in there.
I thought it already made those stock.
That's why I said I really have not one idea.
It's a twin turbo V8, man. Lock in.
It very well. All right, guys, we are back on this RS7 build. Now we've actually got all these parts, all the goodies. They're all installed on the car. We've got the Valvetronic exhaust. We've got the upgraded turbos. We've got this absolutely beautiful carbon air inlet system here from, I believe that's Unitronics as well. We're currently burning off the turbos. There is a good amount of smoke you can expect from these things as they put a generous amount of oil on them to keep them from rusting until you get them in the mail.
Yeah, check out how smoky it is. You can see it all the way up there.
I said, oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire. Ain't nobody got time for that.
So we're actually gonna get ready to pull this one outside, let it finish burning off, and then we're gonna strap this thing to the dyno. We hope to see you guys soon.
As you can see, the RS7 is finally put back together. It is getting ready to go. Well, it is on the dyno actually. I just flashed the Unitronic Stage 3 big turbo tuner in it, flashed the transmission. Trying to get the car to stay on the dyno. It's kind of tough because it's got all-wheel steering. Everybody that I talk to that tunes these has the same issue. So it's not a matter of, you know, which dyno it's on. The fact that the car tries to correct itself. It also sees the fan in front of it. It thinks it's about to hit an object. So it steers on you when you're on the dyno. I'm expecting somewhere in the mid 700s, hopefully. This car is ready to go. It is wild. It sounds really good. Boost comes on really nice and healthy. So we just got to make a couple of adjustments in the torque management, some boost control, and then it is ready to go.
.365 at 677 or 667. 683.
That's not bad.
That looks a little more stable today.
Oh yeah, definitely a little more stable. .710. Good pickup there. 656 horse torque. It went down a little bit, but we picked up 30 horsepower-ish, so 710. Picked up about 25, 30 horsepower. Yeah, that's a little bit more like it. That's exactly where it should be. Reason it picked up horsepower, for one, it was heat soaked. 2 was sitting still, stationary. We had fans in front of it. My opinion, that's only so much airflow. When these cars are going down the highway at like 60, 70, 80 miles an hour, that's a ton of airflow just going in the, you know, cooling the whole engine bay area. That's why on this run I decided to open up the hood, throw some fans on it, try to bring the temperature in the engine bay down, and obviously it made a difference. Now if we let this car cool down a little bit more in the engine bay area, run it again, so throw some more fans on the intercooler, I'm willing to bet we'll see something really close to 750, which is exactly where this car should be. I'm not gonna run this car anymore, just for the simple fact this thing has all-wheel steering and it wants to shoot off the dyno and kill me. I don't want to die, so that way you guys can have more context with it. It is due day of test drive of the Audi RS7.
Michael is joining us. Say what up.
Yeah, buddy. That wasn't even launch control. That was just, hey, I'm gonna lean into it a little bit.
Something different about all-wheel drive cars.
That's right. They get out of the hole, you know.
We are in Mexico, folks.
That's right.
Definitely not there.
Everything is CGI, performed by professionals.
We're actually on the dyno right now. This is a green screen in the background.
Right. Absolutely. All right, here we go. Second gear in Mexico. CGI screen.
Oh my god. Sucker rips.
For a heavy car, this thing moves, dude. Holy shit. If you see this car on the highway in Mexico, Fafo. All right, test hit. We ready? All right, all the temperatures look good.
Oh my god. This thing rips. Holy hell.
You can actually hear the turbo spool now.
Yeah, you can. That sounds really good, actually.
All right, you boys ready?
Launch control?
Launch control.
Oh my god. This thing is violent.
Put you in the seat, son.
I don't know, man. This thing's pretty violent. I almost lost my camera on the second and third.
No, the shifting hits hard. That transmission tune does its work.
Yeah, it does well. You probably can't hear from inside the car, guys, but the burbles on this sound really good too.
Yeah.
They're not overdone.
They're actually like almost factory burbles.
Yeah, they sound really
cast.
good. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, buddy.
All right, what up, guys? We are with Brian here, and he is picking up his RS7 that we just did turbos, downpipes, full exhaust, and everything on it. He's excited, so we're gonna get his reaction to a ride along here, and his son's gonna go ahead and start it up for us. So sounds good. Sounds real good. I don't know if the valves are closed on that right now or they're open. I hope they're open.
Oh, that's nasty.
It sounds really different.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah, it sounds phenomenal. All right, well, you ready for a ride? All right.
Engine temperature.
So it should all be warm. We literally just pulled it off. It rips, don't it?
Yeah, it's just a little faster.
Yeah, it ripped.
That's actually scary fast.
Yeah. Yeah.
That is.
We launched it earlier just to make sure everything worked, and it was ridiculous.
It takes a minute for those turbos to spool up.
Yeah.
But once they spool up, it's gone.
All right, we're gonna launch it. So I think, yeah, if you're in RS2 mode, left, yep, there you go, that's all you got. There it goes. Wow. It rips.
We hit 60.
Yeah.
That fast.
Yeah.
How'd it sound?
Ridiculous. That sounds ridiculous.
Alright.
what are your thoughts?
Glad I did it.
Yeah,
I love
worth it?
Yeah, I love it.
Well, you heard it there, folks. Make sure you come in with your RS7s, bring them in, we'll give you the works.